The Public Procurement Administrative Review Board this afternoon ruled that an application by Paar Media, a South African-based company, is baseless and has no merit. Paar Media had applied seeking review of a tender awarded to a Dubai-based printing firm, and the board had last week that the appellant did not meet the cut and breached basic requirements when submitting their bid. And today, this was confirmed in an elaborate ruling that lasted 2 hours. Ken Mijungu with the final verdict.
The application by Paar Media failed to stand before the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board, chaired by lawyer Paul Ghurair. The board considered 10 items, among them if the application had merit. This they found to be lacking, since the applicants had no locus, according to the board, to make such an application for review.
That Mr. Ben Zaks of Novas Holdings Limited and Dr. Shailesh Patel of the African Infrastructure Development Company were both strangers to the procurement process and lacked the locus standi to participate in the tender process and in the filing of the present request for review.
In spite of the findings, the board went ahead to rule against the application.
The board finds that the applicant's request for review lacks merit, and the same is hereby dismissed.
Paar Media had told the board that they were not treated well by the procuring entity, citing lack of adequate information from the tendering party, the IEBC, and even after losing the bid, the IEBC never communicated appropriately to them and concealed important information such as the criteria for awarding the tender.
In this request for review was that the board terminates the procurement process and orders for a retender. The board states that it can order for the termination of a procurement process under the provisions of Section 173E of the Act. But such an order cannot be made where the procurement process has been concluded and a letter of notification issued to the successful and the unsuccessful bidders, since at that point in time there is no procurement process.
According to IEBC, a total of 9 bidders submitted requests. 4 were found to have met most preliminary evaluation requirements, and Paar Media was not one of them. Through its lawyer, Willis Otieno, Paar Media now intends to go to court to appeal the board's decision. IEBC had advertised for bids for election materials, including ballot papers and voter registers. Ken Mijungu, NTV.